Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make the Toyota Supra MK4 in NFS Heat. First, you'll need to acquire the correct base model. Then, we'll dive into visual customizations to capture its iconic look. After that, we'll optimize its performance with powerful upgrades and fine-tuning. Finally, we'll cover testing and saving your legendary build for the streets. To achieve the classic MK4 look, start by selecting the correct body kit, often found under the Rocket Bunny or similar options. Next, adjust your suspension to get that perfect low stance, perhaps dropping it by 3.5 inches. Don't forget to pick out some period-correct wheels and tires. Finish it off with a vibrant paint job and subtle decals to truly capture its essence. For performance, consider an engine swap to a powerful 6-cylinder option, like the 2JZ. Upgrade all your performance parts to elite status for maximum horsepower and torque. Fine-tune your suspension settings for either a grip-focused race setup or a more playful drift configuration. Adjust the differential to distribute power effectively, whether you prefer a 100% rear-wheel drive feel or a balanced approach. Once your Supra is built, take it for a test drive to feel out its handling and power. Make any minor adjustments to the tuning or visuals as needed. Don't forget to save your custom blueprint so you can easily access it later or share it with friends. Now, hit the streets and enjoy racing your legendary Toyota Supra MK4, a true icon reborn in the game.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.